Hello everyone, Callie Storm Doll here, and we're back with some LOL OMG movie magic. And here I have Starlette. I was able to get Starlette at Walmart for $20. I think her original price point is $34.99. This is a doll that comes with 21 surprises, 2 outfits. And this is another one of those movie magic dolls where their box can turn into a cool playset. Now I'm not actually too sure how to open it, but good thing is it does come with instructions for those who want to put the playset together. I am kind of sort of more so interested in the doll, so let's see if I can get her out. You can kind of see it's supposed to be an audience, and on the screen it says Madam Director, I'm ready for my close-up. Here it is. It says movie star and director, and it looks like an old school VHS tape package. 3-day rental. Warning: heat or cold will damage the tape. Here is Starlette, fresh in her packaging, and I thought this was so cool because it's like a play on pop art, plastic surgery, and a movie star. You know, like her face is literally overworked, and I love it. So I definitely wanted to get this doll, and it was even better that I was able to get her discounted. So if we pull her out, we can get a look at the back of her box. So it has a lot of nostalgia, old black and white pieces, some ribbons, a lot of black and whites, and then extreme pops of colors. So maybe that's a reflection of her personality. Sometimes she's in the gray area, but then when she pops, she really pops. So I'm going to get Starlette out of her packaging and all of her accessories. I'm going to take a deeper look into her personality, and we'll be right back. Alright, we are back, and we have Starlette out of her packaging. Now, I already want to make a comment about Miss Starlette, and it's going to be a little bit of a rant, and it is this weave. When these dolls first came out, something kept telling me, Callie, don't rush to get them. Don't rush to get them. I didn't know what it was. And the ones that I mainly want was Starlette, and then the one that kind of looks like a galactic kitty cat. I only wanted those ones, right? Her hair quality is the worst hair quality I've ever seen on a LOL OMG. I am so happy I did not pay the $34 price point. Oh my gosh. It's just not good quality hair. It's very dry. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that. You can see because it doesn't lay down. The color part of her hair is like thinly rooted. Like if you guys look, it's just very sad. So I'm happy that I did get her for $2.10. It was a $20 doll because the thing is, she does come with a lot of content. So let's get into her content. She does come with these 2 screens. So these are slides from the actual movie magic movie that is available on Netflix if you guys are interested. These are 2 scenes from that. So she comes with that. She comes with 1 black brush. She comes with this headband, and it does look like the headband is reversible. So that's kind of cool. I don't know if this is a smudge. Oh yeah, that's a smudge. Okay, here we go. She also comes with this packet, and it looks like there's some lyrics inside. It says, Starlette looks around, happy. She clicks her heels. Is this real life? She can't believe her movie won the extra award. Yes! So she is an actress and director. I can appreciate that. A girl working on her dreams. So it looks like she comes with these 6.5 ankle boots. So the message on the side is now that looking in color, something. Now we're looking in color. I don't know. It's something like that. Okay, and this is her paper. It's the same paper that came with Tough Guy and Pink Chick. So here are her boots. They are these clear boots with this black and glitterati detail all around them. Very, very cute, giving me very much so galactic feels. She comes with a lot of accessories. I do think these glasses are for us. So I'm going to show you guys these. Yep, so they do come with the 3D glasses. If anyone's interested, you will get your own pair of 3D glasses to put on. So if you're interested in this doll for yourself or maybe being a gift giver, there you go. So it looks like it says Art Director, Madam Director, which is Starlette. Oh wow, so it looks like Starlette comes with this really cool director's purse. It kind of almost reminds me of Chillax, but it's really cool. Now in her blue hat box, we'll see some of her accessories. So it looks like she comes with this really cool belt. It looks like it's red and it has the silver detailing all around it. She comes with her 3D glasses, as you can see. They're clear with the blue and red trim. Then she comes with her street glasses, which looks very comic book accurate. Then she also comes with these earrings that say OMG, and then the other one is a thought bubble. Alright, so out of her first bag, you can see it's 3D all over. It has the cast of the movie and all the other dolls you can get in a line with her. And this is cute. This is her secondary look. So we get a pair of leggings, which are gray, white, black kind of grayish tones. But I really like this hoodie. This is really nice and it's thickly made. I really like this. It says OMG. It's very colorful. I would love if someone could design this for me in real life. Like, I'm living for this sweater. This was almost worth the $20. That's cute. And then over here we have the countdown before the movie starts. Oh, this is cute. She comes with more clothes too. This is what I missed. This is what I missed about OMG. All the clothes and stuff we get. Now she has this lace up, looks like crop top lace up button up top with the lace trim going all around it. It is a white and black piece, but that's cool. That means you can match it up with different things. So here is the bag that's telling the story. It says the end, snack time in the beginning, blah, blah, blah. Okay, and here we is with her skirt, which is this baby blue color, and then it has these gray flowers all over the white, and then black trim all around it. Yes, so now let's look at the original Starlette. So here is a close-up look at her face out of packaging. So you can see they did a really good job with the messy makeup. I can say that's really good. Her top is this black and white piece with all the kind of like ribbon details all over it. I kind of like her meat look. I really do like that. It kind of gives me like old school beach wear, you know, like the old school girls will wear like to the beach. And then her socks are red with pink polka dots. Her nails are baby blue. And then this is a close-up look at her hair, which I'm not impressed with at all. I'm very disappointed because there's no way it's gonna really set, and even when you comb it, it's the type of hair that's just gonna floof out. So I kind of like her aesthetic, but I'm kind of really saddened by that hair. I don't know, guys, but I may try to get some water and mist it, and then I'll come back and tell you guys what I think about me trying to mist it a little bit. I don't know, but I'm also gonna look over these accessories and we're gonna come up with a cute look. We'll be right back. We may do more than one look. All right, we are back and we have Starlette in her first little look. I like to call this look Director Please because she has her director's purse. She has on her 3D glasses. She has on her top, her belt, her shorts, and she's definitely giving me that hit chicken charge. So I'm gonna come up with another look, but this is the first one called Director Please. And I'm here to deliver my final thoughts on Starlette as a doll and what do I think about everything. Well, overall, I am happy that I have Starlette. I did put some mist in her hair and I did try to smooth it out. It did soften it up a little bit. It's just that the hair came very dry, and I mean, the hair, if you are good at rerooting or styling hair, then it won't be an issue for me. It was a little issue for me. It won't be an issue for you. Now, her outfit, this outfit is so cute to me. I love it. I love everything about it. She's adorable. Like, everything about her is cute. It's just the hair quality. Overall, do I think she is like a cool doll? Yes, definitely. If you can get her between $22 to $20, that's a decent range. because you get a cool playset. You get a reversible purse. You can reverse that. A reversible headband. She literally has 3 clothing racks of stuff. So she comes with a lot of stuff. She is a quality doll. But I am happy that I got her on discount. I want to thank you guys for watching today. If you're new to my channel, simply subscribe. Always leave a comment below. And remember, let me know what you guys think about Starlette as a doll. What do you think about the movie Magic Dolls? I did recently review Tough Guy and Pink Chick, but I think he looks really cute with the Starlettes. Are you a fan? I am. Yes. So I think these two make a little glam couple. They're very messy all over the place, but they got coin. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Like, share, subscribe. Help your girl get to that 5K goal.
Cause my name is Curry Kinchin. Slice that like button.
You win. Perfect.